This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. In this video we will learn how to do subtraction in Excel. So it's very simple. So here you can see that we have a table, and in fact this table is selected from the above option format as table. So basically I always like to select such sort of table, so this way we don't need to copy the formula again and again for each and every cell. Once I type a formula in a cell, it will be automatically pasted for all other cells. So we will see how it is done. So here in this case you can see that we have a table of product of different commodities like rice, maize, wheat, gram, barley, and peanut, and they have their sale prices and cost as well. So we would like to actually calculate the profit and loss. So how it is done? It is done that we are going to deduct the cost from the sale price. So how it is done? It is very simple. First we will put an equal to sign, and here since it's a formatted table, so when we select the cell C6, so here you can see that it gives us such sort of information like add sign and sale price. Sale price is actually the header of this column, and add is used for the cell reference. So it is basically a such sort of information is called structured cell. So you can call it the structured cell reference, and we are going to deduct the cost from the sale price. So here we're going to deduct the cost 3000 from sale price. So here we will put a sign of symbol of minus, and then we will select the other cell, structured cell reference, which is 3000. So when we will select with the help of mouse, then you can see that it will put automatically bracket, and it is enclosed is written add cost. So add cost is basically the structured cell reference. So when I press the enter key, then you can see that it will automatically calculate all the profit and loss just by deducting the cost from the sale price. So it is actually done. The cell reference, most of the students asked me questions that how the cell reference is, structured cell reference is declared in the formula section. It is basically done when you select the table. First you type the values, input the headings, and once you type the table and the headings, then you select the format as table. From here you can select any type of the format you want to add. So once you select it, so there is no need to type the formula again and again and copy paste the formula again and again in all the cells. Once you type the formula in one cell, the same formula will be copied and pasted into all the remaining cells automatically. So we don't need to type the formula again and again in all the cells. So it's very simple. The other way is that we can just type n equal to sign, and we'll type the cell address of the value 5000. So here we can see it falls in this column C and row 6, so the cell address becomes C6, and then we will put a symbol of minus, and we'll put the other cell address which is we are going to deduct from the sale price, which is D6. So we will type D6 and we'll press the enter key. So here you can see it always give you the same result. So basically we have learned today that there are two different ways through which we can calculate the subtraction in Microsoft Excel. So thanks for watching.